Following the examination and fixing of anything to do with the arms, we are going to come down and we're going to look at the front casters. We are going to be looking to see, are they spinning okay? Are they wobbly? Are the forks bent? Anything that could jeopardize the actual movement of the wheelchair.
To make this easier, I'll lay the wheelchair on its back.
Whenever you're doing an assessment and a refurbishing, you always want to pull off the front casters. For this one, I'm going to use the number 6 Allen wrench and a number 13 socket. I'm just going to and you can see a lot of hair buildup in anything that has actually been used, or what we call hair washers. So we always want to clean these out. And the main bearings, we're always looking to make sure that there are no outside cracks on them. And everything is turning nicely on this one. It just needed a good cleaning. Make sure you clean the bolt too. Lots of hair buildup. And this is also just really important from a hygiene point of view to make sure everything is cleaned out from the previous owner. All right.
I'll thread the axle bolt through the fork and the caster.
This is the part trying to get everything lined up, because there's an inside little nozzle into it. And there we go. More piece of hair we want to take out.
And we'll use the Allen wrench and socket to put the caster wheel back on the fork.
Rolls nicely, very little wobble in it, and it is nice and clean.